Deadweight loss is a critical concept in economics, representing the loss of economic efficiency caused by market inefficiencies, such as taxes or price controls. Here are 7 essential steps for precise calculation and interpretation of deadweight loss. 1. Define market equilibrium. Determine the equilibrium price and quantity in the absence of market interventions to establish the baseline for analysis. 2. Introduce market distortion. Identify the intervention causing market distortion, such as taxes, subsidies, or price floors/ceilings, and understand its impact on market equilibrium. 3. Calculate quantity change. Determine the change in quantity demanded and supplied resulting from the market distortion. 4. Calculate price change. Determine the change in market price resulting from the intervention compared to the equilibrium price. 5. Determine area of deadweight loss. Calculate the triangular or rectangular area representing the loss of consumer and producer surplus due to the market distortion. 6. Consider elasticity of demand and supply. Assess the price elasticity of demand and supply to understand how responsive market participants are to price changes. 7. Interpret results. Interpret the calculated deadweight loss as the inefficiency caused by the market distortion, highlighting the welfare loss to society. Conclusion: by following these 7 essential steps, analysts can accurately calculate deadweight loss and evaluate the efficiency of policy interventions or market regulations. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.